The City of San Leandro has a $100 million backlog of street repair work. And until this year, averaged a budget of only $3.5 to $7.5 million a year to fix city streets. This year, thanks to the state legislature's gas tax, which restored dedicated road repair funding to 1994 levels, San Leandro has been able to commit $14 million for road repairs.
Which for us is unprecedented. It's more than 3 times what we normally do in a given year.
That has led to a renaissance of repaving in San Leandro. Signs are up all over town showing how the money is being spent.
Prior to the funding coming in from the state, the streets that needed it the most weren't getting any work done, because if you have a pot of money and let's say you can slurry seal 10 streets, but one needs reconstruction, but it's going to take the whole pot of money, that's going to sit there and just continue to degrade and never get done. So now people who 5 years ago were told your street's never going to be repaired, now they're being able to have the road work done.
This cul-de-sac would never have been done before, but Coburn Court is now repaved. This is Sherry Court. It wouldn't have been done for another 15 years, but restoring the gas tax to 1994 levels means this street is being redone now. San Leandro never had the budget to have this $500,000 grinding machine that can dig down 1 to 8 inches, so streets can be totally repaved in 2 days instead of a week. The city is renting this machine for $30,000 a month for 3 months.
We're able to do almost 10 times more of the work with the same amount of people we have.
San Leandro didn't buy it because Prop 6 in November, if passed, would take away all that funding.
The city council, they wanted us to purchase it. And I explained to them that because Prop 6 was likely to be on the ballot at the time that this was going forward, that I didn't want to expend over $500,000 on a piece of equipment when the funding might go away.
Prop 6 would repeal dedicated transportation funding. State funds the city is now using would be taken away.
We're doing way more than we could ever before. I mean, this is proof right here that's showing that the money's being used and it's being used right.
If Prop 6 were to pass, that $14 million goes back to, $3 million. Can just be filling potholes and crack sealing, and very few streets would be getting reconstructed.